Welcome to Options and Ideas. How stay away from distraction and increase concentration. When you are attempting to balance relationships, work a part-time job, and/or maintain your grades while attending college, it might be daunting. Push alerts, texts, and phone calls are the main sources of distraction for most people. Dr. Larry Rosen, Professor Emeritus at California State University, Dominguez Hills, performed research that found that the typical student is distracted for at least 5 out of every 15 minutes they set aside to study, most frequently because of texting and social media use. With so much going on, it can be very difficult to stay focused, but it's not impossible. Here are 7 tips to help enhance your productivity. Get organized with a to-do list, silence alerts, and keep open internet tabs to a minimum. Break big projects into small pieces. Use music and headphones to cut down noise. Find the best environment for efficient studying. Clean up and organize your workspace. Reward yourself for accomplishments. Juggling multiple projects and deadlines at school can be stressful. When you're working on one assignment, it's easy to forget about another. You can help organize your deadlines and manage your time more efficiently with a proper schedule. Figure out when you're most productive and set time aside for homework and activities. Keeping a planner or digital calendar will help you keep track of your classes and assignments. Paper planners are perfect for those who like writing to-do lists and scheduling appointments by hand. One study suggests that the simple act of writing things out helps boost your concentration and memory. Notifications and SMS are the worst enemies of all college students. Put your phone on silent, put your computer in do not disturb mode, and close any unnecessary internet tabs. If you require the internet, keep one tab open. Time wasters on websites and applications can be blocked or hidden to reduce online distractions. By splitting a big endeavor into smaller ones, procrastination can be defeated. Instead of diving headfirst into a massive task, it's easier to drive oneself to do smaller ones. Break up your time wisely if you're struggling to complete your work or studies. Consider taking a 10-minute break after 45 to 50 minutes of work. According to studies, regular breaks might improve productivity and information retention. This may help your mind focus on one idea and let go of distracting ones. Consider beginning by sitting quietly for 3 to 5 minutes each day. Count to 34 while closing your eyes. Since the mind has a tendency to wander to other ideas that can prevent you from reaching 34, this might be challenging at first. Big goals may be effective in motivating audiences, but they may not aid in maintaining attention on the most crucial tasks. Take into account breaking down all objectives into manageable, smaller chunks. So you might only need to concentrate for a shorter period of time, increasing your chances of finishing the activity. Adults in good health need 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Many small business entrepreneurs forgo sleep in favor of longer work days in an effort to accomplish more. Worse, this sleep debt can accumulate over an extended period of time. Lack of sleep might actually make it harder to stay focused and perform activities to the best of your ability. Increasing your focus and improving your general health may be aided by getting some sleep.